Hello everyone, I am Ritika Patel from Caret Solutions Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you about the dropshipping in Odoo version 13. Dropshipping is used when the suppliers ship the product directly to the customer location. Let's start. First we need to activate the option from purchase, settings, and activate the option dropshipping. I already have an activate. Then after going in inventory, master data and product. Let's take one product. Desk organizer. Set the route dropship and buy, and set the vendor in a purchase tab. Then after let's create the sales order. Create the sales order for the same product. Let's say unit 2 and the price. Save it and confirm the sales order. After confirming the sales order, we can see that there is no delivery order will be created. Let's check in purchase. We can see that one request for quotation will be created automatically for same product, desk organizer with vendor, and this is the source document. That means this RFQ created from this sales order. Confirm this purchase order and receive the product and validate. Now again click on sales and in sales order, and we can see that the delivery will be created automatically after confirming the purchase order. When we click on the delivery, we can see that its a destination location is a customer location and operation type is a dropship and the receive from the Gemini furniture. So this is the vendor directly sent goods to the customer location. This is how the dropship will generate it, and dropship will work in Odoo ERP. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.